Drones are transforming the world of arts and entertainment. Drones perform with artists as diverse as Metallica, Drake, and Cirque du Soleil. Drone designers exploring STEAM careers let students step into the shoes of groundbreaking drone designers. Students take on real-life team roles to code, costume, and choreograph drones in a creative performance. They use the engineering design process to brainstorm, test, and problem solve just like the pros. Hi, I'm Erica Liebel, the author of Drone Designers. After seeing the short film Sparked, I knew I wanted to bring the magic and excitement of drones in the arts to students everywhere. I consulted with the production team at Verity Studios while creating the program. The designer's notebook for students uses real sketches and activities that the world's first drone costume designer does with her team. Drone Designers was piloted at my former middle school. Teachers and students from the pilot all agree that there are easy entry points for anyone, whether or not they have experience with drones and coding. Students explore both technical and creative positions on their team until they find the best fit. The Drone Designers pilot had such an impact that several schools, even a STEAM school, have implemented the program. The school board even approved the curriculum to become an elective course. Now thousands of students are enjoying Drone Designers in classroom and after-school programs across the U.S. We've done the testing and legwork for you to be successful with your students. Download a free curriculum sample to test out some of the design activities for yourself, or call us Ambassador to learn about starting your own Drone Designers program.